So what types of transfers are there? There are actually several different kinds that we can use to create our iron-on t-shirts. First we have the hot peel transfer. These typically are a little bit larger and they're called hot peel for a reason. It's because once the heat is applied and then removed, the backing can be removed immediately. They're the most popular of the iron-on transfers. They have a really soft feel to them. They resemble more of a screen printing type of t-shirt, and like I said, they can be peeled hot. This is another form of a hot peel t-shirt or a hot peel transfer, and that is a soft color, whereas this transfer is actually an ink, and once the heat is applied for about 25-30 seconds and then removed, the ink is transferred onto our t-shirt and leaves it very, very soft. This is great to create those vintage types of t-shirts that are very, very popular right now. You can find these at most arts and crafts supply stores, and they come in various sizes, various colors as well. The next type of transfer we have is a cold peel transfer. This is a transfer that you can create at home on your computer with your printer. These are very popular because they deposit all the ink to the garment. They do have a little bit more of a rubbery feel. They do present a very opaque type of look, but very vivid as far as all the ink is concerned, because all the ink is transferred to the t-shirt, and it adheres great or sticks great to the t-shirts, which you know, is a good thing. Next we have our rhinestones, which the rhinestone motifs are the hot fix transfers are very good to use as well, especially when you're creating different logos or different types of phrases and that type of thing. These can be found already made at the arts and crafts store, or you can simply design your own by either printing out the design that you would like on your computer and then placing the designs or the rhinestones on a mylar paper, and that's something that we'll show you as well on how to do. So those are the various types of transfers that we have to choose from. We'll be working with a cold peel transfer that we create on our computer. We'll also show you how to use a hot peel transfer such as this, which is our soft color transfer. We'll show you how to create your own rhinestone motif and apply that as well.